Hi guys, in this episode I head down to Preveza Marina to rent a car to meet the surveyor for a pre-purchase survey of a Jeanneau Sun Odyssey 49. Some of the things that come up on the survey are a rusty keel bolts and a rusty chain. What else are we going to find? You'll have to watch to find out. Hope you enjoy the video. So it's 8:45. We're going to pick up the car to Cleopatra Marina and then we're going to do a survey of the boat. Just walking up towards the car rental shop down by Preveza Marina. We've got some trampolines and stuff for kids. It's really cold this morning. It's been cold ever since we got here. Kids are a little bit bored at the moment because all their toys are back in the UK in a box waiting to come here. Once we buy a boat, then obviously we can get that sent over to Greece. Looks like you've got a bit of a run on the bank in Preveza this morning, or that's just a normal morning. It's 9:05. I'm outside the Avis rental shop. I'm supposed to be picking the car up at 9 o'clock, but no one's here. And so we've got a Fiat Panda, Pando, something like that, off to Cleopatra Marina. Got to follow the blue signs apparently, so just a normal road. We've got about 3 bars of fuel and we've got some lovely Greek music in the background, so let's have a lovely journey. So I'm now here at Cleopatra Marina. If you say that it's okay, then we're more than happy with that. It needs to be cleaned up. The more you look, the more you find. So we've looked at the hull. Propeller's stuck, so that needs to be loosened up and greased before we go on a sea trial. Just having a look around on top now. We need to get some side cutters to take this netting off. We're just having a look here. We've got a stern anchor. We've got some oil, some fishing stuff. Not sure what that is there. Maybe that's some diesel. Got some oxygen tanks for the diving stuff, flippers and bits and pieces. Let's have a look in this locker. So that's the engine breather pipe coming out into the transom. Power cables, some hose and some buckets and stuff down there. There's a big space down there which is not being used. I'm not sure what's the deal under there. Bimini off the top of the boat. Not the bimini, sorry. These olive plant covers, and we're just connecting the electrics. The cushions.
Telling you what's in the batteries. Oh yeah, there you go. So there's 12 in that one. Oh no, 14, that's right. 14 in that one.
Frigio boat, what about that? Frigio boat, Freud.
Yeah, that'll be it, yeah.
Freudital.
Oh, and it's got cooling set.
So there's the air conditioner underneath this seat, unless cooling set and the fridge need to be switched on. Looking good so far, I think. There is signs of life. Beautiful day today. We tested the windlass.
You get me right. It's badly corroded, that.
Water there. there enough room for an additional bed down there for a dog? Now, if you got this far, I'd like to thank you very much for watching our video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, I would really appreciate if you would like and subscribe, because apparently when we watch other videos, they say it helps. So thanks for watching.